nange Yvonne Chaka Chaka mukazi watte yavaayo nayimirira bulungi nnyo ku kivulu wali eri kusena n'agamba nti nze Mandela. Mwade musuubira kumukolera ki naye kyekikola si kirungi tekyabadde omusajja avuddeyo bambi n'atuwa ensonga ze ngolabira ddala kimulaba nanga bannange mmaze ebbanga siyimba sirina kifulu kyenzikirizibwa kola sirina kwegamba awulidde ennaku nnyingi nnyo ku mutima naye bw'atyo mu kumaliriza ate agambye nti bane happy new year fenna abanna-Uganda. Njagala ku His Excellency Bobi Wine ng'ayogera ku nsonga za Yvonne Chaka Chaka.
Another African icon, a musical freedom fighter, Yvonne Chaka Chaka, has been deported from Uganda. Yvonne Chaka Chaka is one of Africa's revolutionary artists. Yvonne Chaka Chaka has performed in Uganda very many times without any problem. And the last time Chaka Chaka came to Uganda, being that she's been following our struggles and she's indeed a comrade because she's an artist, she gave me a hug and, expressed support for our cause, for our struggle for freedom in Uganda. And like all friends of Uganda from abroad, Yvonne Chaka Chaka, like many other foreigners in the past, have been deported. Although the police has come out to try and give explanations for her deportation, quoting my migration challenges, we know that indeed Yvonne Chaka Chaka and her revolutionary songs, her songs of freedom, are what the regime fears most. This explains why I, as an artist, cannot be allowed to perform in my country anymore. In the ongoing show in Kuka, the organizers were put on pressure and restricted from hosting me, and that explains why for the first time I've not been able to perform at Kuka Yomaka. At a personal level, I've not been able to hold a single show in my country. More than 157 of our concerts were cancelled. Happy New Year to you, brothers and sisters in Uganda.
Byebyo ebigambo by'omukulu His Excellency Bobi Wine sobola kubanga ate munnange mbiddamu kubanga nnyinza okwonoona naye nga banaye ku nsonga eyo yennyini omukulu